Alright, so today I'm going to show you how we could look up any references to a specific word in any given site. So actually I'm going to close this and I'm going to go to Google. So what you can do if you're looking up, for example, news article on Africa, we're going to type in, not all caps, Africa, and then site, colon, and you're going to put the website. So we're, for our purposes, putting time.com and search. And here you can see all of these different references to Africa, and there you notice that they're all from time.com. So that's one example. You could use this for another site. For example, if we were doing French, we're going to want Afrique. Oops. And oh, I already have it up. Site tv5monde.com. And here we have the same thing, all in regards to Africa. And there you go.